Want to help parents by screening their children for sleep disorders? If you do, here are 2 questions to ask the parents, directly from the Sleep Disturbance Scale for Children. Question number 1. The child wakes more than twice a night. Answer: never, daily, 1 to 2 times per month, 2 times per week, 3 to 5 times per week. Question number 2. The child snores. Answer: never, daily, 1 to 2 times per month, 2 times per week, 3 to 5 times per week. For more info and to print out the complete Sleep Disturbance Scale for Children, visit torontotmjandsleepcenter.com/professionals.